Welcome everyone. Dear parents, this video is about us as parents. Now it's time to give support, not just verbal, but emotionally also, physically also. Be present and be available. Guide them in a positive manner. The easiest task is to expect. Don't just expect, guide them what to do and how to do. And above all, stay positive around them, talk positive, do not burden them by your expectations, reminding them time and again. Don't do that, it's not going to help. Just be there, give positive assurance, जो बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है. हमें अपने बच्चों को समझने की ज़रूरत है. अगर हम अपने बच्चों को नहीं समझेंगे तो कौन समझेगा. इसलिए प्लीज़ अभी भी टाइम है, हम उन्हें सुनेंगे, उन्हें समझाएंगे. नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट, talk to them, listen to them, what they want to say. Maybe in any particular subject they are facing trouble, they got some issues. Still, we have time, we can correct it. Without blaming them, try and find out solution. Maybe we can give them highlighted section to go ahead with. Maybe we can seek somebody's help. Maybe we can sit with them and guide them for better. Keep motivating, keep guiding them by providing constant parental support. Constant support with the positive state of mind. Remember, charity begins at home. If we are not going to do that, nobody else can do that in this world. So just be there, guide them. They should go ahead with the flow chart. They should take care of the things, important key terms, terminologies. As a parent, we can guide them because we already passed that phase. हम जिंदगी के उस मरहले से गुजर चुके हैं. तो ये सबसे बेटर, सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है जो हम उन्हें दे सकते हैं एज अ गाइडेंस, एज अ प्रैक्टिकल गाइडेंस. So don't expect anybody else to do that, and don't put your responsibility on somebody else. So let's participate, give them constant guidance. We still have time, and take care of their diet, take care of their rest time. Most importantly, as a parent, if we are working, that's also important. But at the same time, we need to reduce our screen time. It's not possible that we'll watch TV or we'll go for checking mobile all the time and we expect our kids to sit and study. It's impractical to do. उन्हीं के आसपास रहना है. In the meantime, we can do the reading and help them to create a flow chart. Maybe constantly we'll talk about few of the terms. It's very easy for middle school parents. Otherwise also it's easy. At least we can put across questions and they can answer. If they are not able to, then together we can talk about it. So remember, we have to create that environment at home. Time bound learning is important, plus the environment. So everybody, it's not just their examination, it's exam time for everyone. Take it this way, with the positive state of mind, with the constant support, with always being there. Definitely we are going to help them out. So we'll talk it over again, and thank you for now. God bless.